Hello guys, back again to this course, Golang Microservices full course, and today we will talk about the secret env, and this is we'll have manage about env in development, env in staging, or env in local, or env in production. And we separate the file, which is currently I have a both file env.development and env.staging. This I just copy from the env.example, and you can also copy paste in here. And how we want to try to rotate the env, this is will cover with the config loader, which with Viper or go.env, and the objectives is understand that storing sensitive credential in code is danger, and then after that we build a centralized config loader with a library to load the environment such as env.development.staging.production into our project, and then add env to the gitignore is of course we need to do that. But why need multi-environment and secret management? I think while we are in development, we connect to local MySQL such as localhost 3306, but in staging and in production server or UIT or something in the server, MySQL host address is changed to the RDS cloud or internal database cluster with a very strong password, and that is not same as our local, so we never hardcode the password, the GWT secret or API keys or third-party tokens, and the solution we store all those dynamic values in separate env file for each environment and load them at runtime based on app env variable. For example, app env equals staging. So we will migrate from go.env and before and our config loader in the previous current is using go.env with something like this, but we will change to Viper to get env up environment. If empty, then we do the development, and then the key differences is the replace go.env to the Viper and use map structure tag to on the config struct fields, and we add a app_env in variable environment specific. If we choose development, we choose production, we choose staging or something, that will automatically choose the correct file, like we choose env.staging or env.development or env.production. Okay, then I think we will do the code right now, which is here. I don't think here is only the go mod. We doesn't need this go mod, but we go to the share config directly here. Okay, we do here in the config, right? We copy here the structure because we need to change all of them. But before that, git check out dash p. I wanted to go to feature 040 what 42 43 43, sorry, this is episode 43, and this is multi and env. Okay, so we go to the shared, we go to the config, and we change this guy. Okay, sorry, we need to change from here to here outbox. Okay, this one should be fine with the app env and etc. map structure. We create the we use map structure here, and then we change the load env to something like this. Here load env to change to this one. Okay, and then if env log development is here, wait, if env development is not development, staging and production file unsupported up.env, but I think logger, we can do logger.fatal, something like context.background, and then message string here. Yeah, this one. Just config unsupported app env, and then env something like this. But we delete all of this. We delete all of this here. We delete from dsn until the end, I think. Yeah, we until menu, I think, until the end. So actually we just remove this. Yeah, we just remove this first until wallet. I think I want to change to wallet here until ledger. Where is ledger service, I think. Yep, here we got a fiber here, and then we create this one, change the transaction. Okay, I think not the log but logger. I just want to remove this kind of data. Wait, I want to go to logger dot print dot info context background, and then just here cancel. Like this. Okay, then we bind the config, but we don't have the function yet. No problem, we do that later. Logger.fatal, and I add the context background, and if cfg something like this, I add here with like this here, and then something like this. Okay, I want to copy yeah, until return dot cfg. I want to change to logger.fatal. Context.background, I think here. Okay, should be fine. And then we create the function, set the default, and validate production secret, and bind env here. We do here. Okay, should be fine. We set default. Here is setting the default, and validate production string if replaced with inject. Change me placeholder logon only. This one should be fatal. We not doing log, but because we have the logger, so just change to the logger. And then here we do the stripe secret key, stripe. Yeah, this one is placeholder for replace with inject at runtime, or your change me placeholder local only or something. We change to contain ignore case. This here production secret contains placeholder value. Yeah, this one is for not this one is for break the app to run because it still has the placeholder, so need to change. And then what happened we are doing is just in the env.example I just need to create this one environment env here. If you can see in environment, you need to change this to the app staging or production later, and I just add this one GWT secret 79 here. Wait a second, actually I have, so I just change this. No need to change. Don't change this one, sorry, don't change this one, okay? Local, because this is can make our project not working later, so you can change that before you are working on the server. And then I just add this one, allow env, this one, copy binary inside the gitignore here. I think, yeah, this one should be good. And we go to the Docker Compose. Don't forget to have the app.env here in the 95. I think, where is 95? On the start, every service you need to add, don't forget for it. Yeah. And GWT secret here, and env. Where is this? 135 is here, and environment, okay. And then here 166 here, okay. 205 here though, 230 here, 230, 256 here, and then 56 to 94 every, in every service you need to add 3 to 5. Okay, don't forget to check the indentation. You don't want this to be not working right. Should be here. GWT secret also, yeah. env, and last, this one is the last. And then here GWT secret. For the other two, they need GWT secret. I don't think so. So yeah, this one should be good. And I want to create the maintainability microservice here. Maintainability. Don't tidying. Maintainability again. I should not get an error here. Wait, I still got an error. No, it's just loading. So make build Linux. What is this one doing? What happened? Go some. I think I need to check the go mode. Go mode, bro. This ambigu is inside. What happened with this? Let me check. What is this mean? What is this mean? So I think the package is confusing what happened, so I think right this should checking in the go mode or something, but I'm not sure this guy is doing what. Go mode Y. Okay, go mode Y. Let me check here. Go mode Y -m. Clear. I think I need to check make build Linux again. Go get Viper. Where is this go get Viper? Inside share. This one is inside share. It should be box when we are doing make tidy, but I'm not sure. Let me check. What is this make build Linux do? I think right this one is just because the compilation is in Go ambigu is to different module, and cloud is here because the library. So the culprit was an outdated version in our project. Where is our project here? So we add SPF 13 library, but upgraded to 121 here. Make the ID to upload to. Okay, let me see cd microservice make tidy. I think this one should be fine, but a lot to do here. Okay, so if you have same error with me, you just change to v1.21 yeah, inside the share, which is here. You can change to this guy, yeah, to this v1.21.0. and I want to make build Linux. Let me try again. It should be fine. Docker compose up this build still. I will put. So here is started. I wanted to check our project is up for all of, yeah, for all is up. I think no error, and I want to try to check here one by one, which is login, of course. Why I got a invalid free credential though? What happened? What happened with this? I want to close others. Okay, my data is gone. Okay, I think this is creating new database. I think. Ow, my data is gone. Let me register again. What happened? What happened this one? I want to check my this one. Just send input parameters is localhost my mailhawk. I want to check mailhawk. Okay, login should be okay. You can test by yourself. I just test something here. The wallet, I think. Wait, no transaction payment. Yeah, payment stripe, I think. I just want to check. I hope it's working fine. So yeah, working fine. Transaction transfer. Want to external, I think. Yep, here. Okay, unavailable. I want to go here. City monolith. Go run. cmd main.go. I want to check here in. Okay, I think I need to register first inside the. Okay, what happened here? Okay, I need to migrate again. Migrate dogs. Wow, our DB is gone. I need to migrate again. Oh my god. Oh, here, wait. Okay, should be fine. I just wanted to see here what I have in here. I just inject to b1 here, and then after the OTP code sign, need to change to use here. Anyway, this is no. Okay, I want to transfer. Okay, my wallet here, and then his wallet inside here should be fine. Okay, I think that's all for now. I will push here and see you in the next video. Wait, do I need to check? Okay, I think that's all. Yeah, see you in the next video.